Publishing of books and manufacturing and selling of tablets are both multi-billion-dollar industries. As we all know, books are read across the world by school and university students as well as the general public. With the increase in the use of technology, tablets are now readily accessible to most of the people and many have shifted to tablets for reading purpose. This brings us to our today's topic: which one is better, books or tablets? The books versus tablets debate has been going on for some time now. Let us see the advantages and disadvantages of both, books as well as tablets, from the general reader and from the student's point of view. Advantages of tablets. Tablets are convenient. One of the most important advantage of tablets is that they are convenient to carry since they are lightweight. It will be better for the students to carry one tablet and not 10 books in their school bag. In the same manner, instead of purchasing 10 books and keeping them safe, a book reader can read them on his tablet. Digital books cost less and can be updated. Digital books have a low buying price. Also, the cost of tablets and digital books is constantly decreasing. For every single book, each page has to be printed. Digital books can be easily updated with new information. A regular book has to be printed again if any information has to be added, edited or deleted, thus increasing the cost and efforts. Tablets provide technological features. Tablets make use of diagrams and videos that can increase engagement with what you are reading. While reading a book, you cannot go beyond text and images, which is certainly less engaging. Disadvantages of tablets. Initial investment can be high for many people. The initial investment or cost of buying tablets can be high for many people, especially the poor and people from third world countries. In the case of schools, many schools and students might not be able to afford them, and students' learning experience should not be based on what they can afford or not. Exposure to blue light screens and radiations. The biggest disadvantage of tablets is the light emitted by their screen, which is bound to cause eye damage in the long run. Emission of radiation is also another unwanted drawback of tablets. Both adults and children know and are aware of this, and with the increase in health awareness throughout the world, the use of tablets might just not increase as fast as it should. Advantages of books. Better knowledge absorption and retention. It is a known fact that books allow better remembering of knowledge as compared to reading on tablet. Thus, books help in improving the learning process, which is absent in digital screens or tablets. Less danger of theft. Books have a very low pickup appeal as compared to tablets, and if you accidentally leave or forget them, there is still a chance you can go back and get your books. This is an advantage especially for school children who often forget or misplace things. Very less distraction. When you read a book, you are mostly focused on the subject presented in the book. This focus is lost while reading on a tablet because of internet, social media and YouTube. Disadvantages of books. More costly in the long run. In the long run, readers might continue to pay more for the printing and shipping charges of books. This will keep printed books costly, and with the increase in technological advancement, cost of digital books will keep on getting lower. What do you prefer for reading or studying? Books or tablets? Let us know, our viewers, in the comments section below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel MyClan. Thank you for watching.